Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no internet found error in Valorant, the one that blocks you from launching the game even though your internet is working. Let's get it fixed quickly. First, go to your search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, and click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and hit Properties. Here's the important part. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then under DNS, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and set them to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, go back to Search and type CMD. Right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Now type the following commands one by one. ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. Netshesh Winsock reset, press Enter again. After that, simply restart your PC, and the Valorant no internet found error should be gone. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.